when the rain falls, phase 3+2 waltz. We're going to start an open facing together feet free, wait one measure for a together touch, and a hover telemark. Together touch to close, hover telemark, man roll across, lady roll across, and pick up, 2 left turns, whisk, wing to sidecar, turn left and chassé, back, walk back, open impetus, and pick up, forward waltz, maneuver, spin turn, box finish, open telemark, through chassé to banjo, forward, lock, forward, maneuver, back up waltz, back and chassé to semi, through hover to banjo, man back up with touch, lady turn through the shadow, shadow forward waltz, forward and chassé, shadow forward waltz, solo turn 6, man forward 2, lady pick up, open telemark, hover fall away, slip pivot to banjo, maneuver, 2 right turns, twirl line 3, through twinkle, and pick up, forward waltz, maneuver, spin turn, box finish, open telemark, through chassé to banjo, forward, lock, forward, maneuver, back up waltz, back and chassé to semi, through hover to banjo, back hover, lady, transit turn to shadow, shadow forward waltz, forward and chassé, forward waltz, shadow solo turn, forward, man 2, lady turn to a pickup, open telemark, hover fall away, slip pivot to banjo, maneuver, spin turn, that half box back, 2 left turns, twirl line 3, and pick up, 2 left turns, whisk, wing to sidecar, turn left and chassé, back, lock back, open impetus, pick up, open telemark, through chassé, through side lunge and extend, recover touch to a back corte.